Alright, let's get real about the HeatStream Pro heater. Is it a scam or is it actually worth your money? So here's the deal. HeatStream Pro isn't some magic device that'll turn your cold house into a sauna in 5 minutes. It's basically a plug-in PTC ceramic heater, meant for small spaces. Think bedrooms or your home office. If you expect it to heat your entire living room, you'll probably be disappointed. But, for its intended use, most reviewers say it can warm up a small room pretty quickly, about 10 to 15 minutes for a space around 10-15 square meters. Now let's tackle those flashy energy-saving claims. Here's the science. All electric heaters turn electricity into heat at 100% efficiency. The real savings happen when you only heat a small area instead of firing up your whole house. So, don't expect mind-blowing energy bills to disappear, just smarter, targeted heating. But here's where it gets tricky: safety. Some mini heaters, including ones like HeatStream Pro, have had issues. There are reports of melted plugs and missing safety markings. That's a red flag. Always check for legit safety certifications, and don't use these heaters with extension cords. Plus, keep them away from anything that could catch fire, at least 3 feet, minimum. So, is HeatStream Pro a scam? Not quite. It's a real product using proven tech. But the hype is definitely overblown, especially about heating power and energy miracles. Plus, customer service can be hit or miss, which doesn't help. On the bright side, there's usually a 30-day money-back guarantee if it's not for you. Bottom line, if you know what you're getting, a small, supplemental heater for personal use, it could work for you. Just shop carefully, follow safety tips, and don't fall for exaggerated claims.